Next, we'll study about the image formation by a plane mirror. That is, you had already learned about the characteristics of the image formed by a plane mirror in class 7th standard. Let us recall that. What are the characteristics of this image formation in a plane mirror? That is, the image formed in a plane mirror is erect image. Image formed by a plane mirror is of the same size as that of the object. Image formed by a plane mirror is at the same distance as the object is in front of the mirror. The image formed by a plane mirror is a virtual image. That means the image cannot be obtained on a screen. And the image formed by a plane mirror is laterally inverted. That means sideways reversed. Let us study in detail about the image formation of a plane mirror. Place a source of light in front of a plane mirror. Then two rays are incident on the surface of the plane mirror, that is OA and OC. Then draw normals at the surface of the plane mirror at the point A and C. Then, according to the first law of reflection, draw two reflected rays from the point A and C such that the reflected rays are AB and CD respectively. Extend these two rays backwards so that they meet at the point I. For a viewer's eye, at point E, the reflected rays appear to come from the point I. Actually, these reflected rays do not meet at the point I, but only appear to do so. So, such an image formed by a plane mirror is called a virtual image. That is, the image of the object O is formed at the point I. That is a virtual image. We will study regular and diffuse reflection with the help of an activity. Consider an irregular surface like a cardboard. Imagine that parallel rays are incident on an irregular surface as shown. The laws of reflection are valid at each point of the surface. Using them, construct the reflected rays at various points. You will observe that rays are reflected in different directions and they are not parallel to each other. When all the parallel incident rays are reflected from a plane surface are not parallel, the reflection is known as diffuse or irregular reflection. Diffuse reflection is not due to the failure of the laws of reflection, but it is caused by the irregularities in the reflecting surface like that of a cardboard. On the other hand, reflection from a smooth surface like that of a mirror is called regular reflection. The images are formed in regular reflection, and that is the reason we can see our image on polished and smooth surface like a mirror or a stainless steel plate. Nearly everything we see around us is seen due to the reflected light. For example, the moon and the planets receive light from the sun and reflect it. That is why we see them. The objects which shine in the light of other objects are called illuminated objects. For example, steel plate, bowl, spoon, stove, etc. On the other hand, objects which emit their own light are known as luminous objects. For example, the sun, fire, flame of a candle, and an electric bulb.